Welcome to 29 Shepards Path, Marshfield, Mass. This home is surrounded by nature and boasts a lovely private backyard. 2x6 outside wall construction and an owned solar hot water system are just two of the energy efficiency features of this house. Inside, newly refinished oak hardwood floors. Granite countertops in the kitchen and a brand new refrigerator make it a lovely cooking environment. Both baths have been updated. All in Marshfield, minutes to the beach, shopping in the highways. Make Marshfield your new home.